Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we got something super exciting. The brand new iPhone 17 Pro. Not the Pro Max, just the Pro. And this one isn't just any model. It's the orange color with 256 gigabyte of storage. And Apple is calling this color Cosmic Orange. You know, Apple with the name calling. So yeah, this is, I just did an unboxing of the blue, which is called Deep Blue, but now we have Cosmic Orange. So Apple has been pushing bold design choices lately, and for this new redesign, it's definitely, I think it's probably the one good redesign since the past 5 years. From the 11 to the 16, we've been having the same cutout with a 3 camera, but now we have this larger bump on the back. But this orange definitely stands out. So let's crack it open and see what's inside. All right, first off, let's take a look at the packaging. Okay, so Apple is always keeping things clean and very minimal. Like I said, small box, so minimal design, and we have the outline of the iPhone right up front. So the logo on top and the iPhone name on the side. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and peel this off. Always a nice, satisfying peel. Okay. All right, sliding the lid up. And there it is. Oh, man. All right, so this is the iPhone 17 Pro in orange. And that finish immediately popped. That finish really popped. It's very deep. Almost, see that metallic? It's really nice. So it's like an orange with like a premium sheen to it. So definitely one of the boldest colors that Apple ever dropped. Okay. That screen peel off. Ah, man. Really nice. All right, let's put the phone aside for a moment and see what else we have in the box. Okay, so we have our, again, you can see USB-C to USB-C braided cable right here, and a little bit of call it, yeah, describe it, man. No more charging brick, as you know. No SIM tool ejector. Has for North America, we went with the eSIM. And so, like I said, inside you got your volume rocker, and this is that new button that Apple introduced that you can map and have different options. But also, I always keep mine just to be the silent, because I'm so used to it for years being like that. Power button, you got your new camera sensor right here, so it can use as a camera button, and also you can zoom out using this as well. And up here, it's I guess it's a new antenna, so cut off for the antennas. And then on the bottom you got your USB-C, and then your mic and speakers. Okay, and also in the back you still have your three cameras. So let's go ahead and fire this thing up. The display. So again, it's upgraded display. Apple upgraded display again. It's brighter, sharper, and even more power efficient than before. So perfect for if you're an outdoor and you're consuming a lot of media, watching a lot of YouTube or movies on your phone. So I'm sure you will enjoy the display even more. So inside this phone, we're rocking the A19 Pro chip, which Apple claimed delivers desktop level performance in your pocket. And with 256 gigabyte of storage, you got plenty of space for apps, photos, and 4K ProRes video recording if you are into mobile filmmaking. So of course, the cameras. We have to talk about these cameras. So you have the triple lens system that Apple been adopted for years now on the Pro models. And this go around, it includes three 48 megapixel sensors. So you have one main sensor, one ultra wide, and one with a telephoto lens. And all of them are 48 megapixel. So Apple really doubling down on computational photography this year, and it's definitely I'll definitely be testing this out and let you guys know, because I do like taking a lot of photos and videos on my phone. All right, so in closing, that's the unboxing of the iPhone 17 Pro in orange, and this is the 256 gigabyte storage model. Honestly, first impression, this color is amazing, truly stunning. You have to see it and to appreciate it, and very bold, but again, it's very stunning. So I can't wait to put the cameras and performance to the test and let you guys know about it. So if you're thinking about upgrading, so make sure you subscribe, because I'll be dropping a full review with camera samples, battery life test, and a day-to-day impression very soon. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Drop a comment down below. What do you think of this new orange color? Would you rock it or stick with something more subtle? And hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more text unboxing and reviews, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.